Hello to everyone. Happy Friday, happy weekends. Now I just finished to clean the balcony because now the sun is not too much hot already. Look, you see? This one is the big balcony and the small balcony beside. In the room, Sisi, I finished, and when I finish my laundry, I put also the clothes in the small balcony. You see outside. Thank you again for watching my old videos, and thank you also to subscribe me, and thank you also that you like or know the important that you are watching of my simply video. Thank you again, and take care and be happy to everybody. Sana magiging okay lahat kung saan kayo ngayon, any countries that you're still working or not working, with your family or without your family, with your friends, sa mga angkan to angkan. Thank you and thank you again, and keep safe lagi. Be healthy. Okay? Bye-bye!